Alright, so tell me who you are.
So I'm Christian, I'm the Senior Systems Engineer for Rhino IT, so I'm responsible for making sure everything works out here for us today.
So what are we doing today, Christian?
We're doing a disaster recovery test, so when we have a problem, for example our power goes out, our internet goes down, or our office is otherwise unavailable, we want to check that if we get everyone out of the office, we can still keep operating our business.
And where are we?
Today? Well, the beach behind me, we're at Coogee Beach today, and we're testing all of the team running here off mobile connections from one of the cabanas.
Wow, alright, so show me around, Christian. How does it all work?
Well, how it works, well, I suppose we start here. We're entirely powered today off a generator. So this is actually providing backup power to ensure that our laptops and all of our devices remain running for the duration of the day.
Oh, very good. So how does that work?
Does that work? Well, that runs off petrol. So by firing up petrol into it, using about 10 litres for the whole day, that'll actually provide enough power to power about 20 laptops.
Very cool. So can you walk me around and show me everything else?
So behind me here's our dispatch and coordination team, responsible for assigning all of our tickets out, and right behind Eleanor here you'll actually see our statistics, which are providing us with real-time data from our main centre to advise us of all incoming support issues.
Yep.
So all of us here are actually running off 3G Telstra wireless connections, and this is giving us internet access.
Very cool. So how does that work? We've got 3G, but is that like the dongle that people have in their computers, or?
Yep, we have a combination of services we're testing here today, and that also gives us a backup. Yep. So we have dongles that we're running. We're also using iPhones to actually use the built-in hotspots and connections that they provide if we have problems with our dongles. Yep. And in addition to that, we've also got backups from other providers. And we're also sharing some of those dongles between multiple computers, so we have a couple of users sharing one connection, as all these machines behind me here are running off one dongle at the moment.
Very cool. Let's go and have a look at the other guys and see how they're working.
So here we have one of our support consultants, James.
Jimmy.
And as you can see, he's running off his Telstra 3G dongle there, and on the phone on his iPhone, answering all of our support calls.
Very good.
Here's Martin checking all of our account management and contacting all of our customers. He's also running off our shared 3G connection here.
Very cool. And how are you guys finding it? Is it working?
It's running quite well.
You're going good? Very good. What about you, Martin?
In my role, I'm used to working remotely, so it's kind of a good exercise to see some of our engineers actually have to do offsite tests and be able to connect to our clients without the usual infrastructure. So it's working really well, and the calls are coming through and they're able to turn through the tickets, so it's very, very good.
Very cool.
And
So
our clients haven't noticed a difference, so
yeah.
As far as they're concerned, business as usual.
So we could do this every day.
We could do this every day. We won't, but we could do this every day.
So that's a good point. How are our phones working?
Phones working? What we've actually done is diverted our primary numbers today to actually come through to one of the mobile phones here. And as people may be aware, we don't just have one phone line, because obviously it will clog up with our support calls at busy periods. So we actually have it going to 3 different mobiles here in order, so whoever's phone is not on the call at the moment, they'll actually be able to receive the next incoming call from our 1-800 number.
Very cool, very cool. So have we got any more people, or?
We do. We have another team around the corner here.
Hey guys.
So this is Philip and Stan, 2 more of our support engineers. We're here both connected on Telstra 3G connections. In fact, Stan's actually running off his iPhone, whereas Philip's actually running off a dongle, and both of them are responding to support inquiries at the moment.
Very good. Very good. So when do we get to go to the beach, Christian?
What time's lunch?
Very